In this video, I am going to show you a simple scalping strategy that works perfect for the 1 minute time frame. We will use special indicator called Williams fractals and we're going to combine it with some other indicators, and it's easy to use, works in almost all markets, and the most importantly it works. So first of all, set the time frame to 1 minute, but this strategy will work for all time frames. So let's add our first indicator called Williams fractals. So simply go to the indicators tab, type a Williams fractals, and it's going to be this one. For this indicator, the default setting will work perfect. Just make sure the period is set to 2. And for the colors, it originally red and green, but I flipped them to green and red. So it's easier to understand when reading the chart. So next we are going to add some moving averages. So simply go to the indicators tab again and type moving averages and select the moving average multiple. Once you add the indicator, we are going to change the setting a bit. Go to the settings, click the style and close all 4, 5 and 6 plots. And for plot 1, plot 2 and plot 3, I am going to change the color to green, yellow and red. Once you have done this, click on inputs and change the first period to 20, second to 50 and third to 100. So after adding these two indicators, now let's understand the actual strategy. So the first rule of this strategy is you can only buy if you see the 20 days EMA, basically the green line, is above 50 day, the yellow one, and the 50 day is above the 100 day. If they are crossing each other like this, then you should not enter the trade. And it's completely opposite for the selling side. So the 200 should be on the top, the 50 in the middle and the 20 on the bottom. So now let's understand this with some examples. To enter a buy side trade, the price has to pull back under the 20-day moving average or under the 50-day moving average. And then you also have to see this green arrow. So this is our entry signals. Now let me show you an example so that you can better understand what I am talking about. So first of all, we will make sure that moving averages are in the correct order and they are not crossing each other. Then we will wait for the price to cross under the 20-day moving average. And after this green arrow appears, we will enter the trade. And our stop loss should be below 50 day. And the usual targets are 1:1.5. So as you can see in the example, the strategy is working perfectly. And if the price keeps moving down before the Williams factor gives a green arrow and cross the 50 day and then give a green arrow. So here also we are going to do the same thing. So again we are going to buy here and put your stop loss to below 100 day, and our target should be 1:1.5. Now there is a very important rule for you to understand this strategy to be profitable. If the price moves below 100-day moving average, you do not enter the trade, even if the green arrow appears. So as you can see here, the price moves below 100-day and then Williams factor gives a green arrow, and as you can see the price drops again. Now let's take an example for selling side also. So first checkpoint, all lines in the correct order, the 100 on the top and the 20 on the bottom. Then we will wait for the price to cross above the 20 day and then we will wait for the red arrow. Once we get the red arrow, we will enter here and put our stop loss above 50 day and set 1:1.5 profit ratio. For this amazing trading strategy, all I ask in return from you is just take 2 seconds of your life and like this video and share this video with your friends. And if you want to see my favorite strategy that I use on a daily basis, check out this video and I'll see you in the next time.